Chase after or go after. To run after or hurry in order to catch someone or something. Example: the old woman was chasing after a man who had snatched her purse. Look after. To take care of or be in charge of someone or something. Example: my uncle looked after me after my parents passed away. Name someone or something after. To give someone or something the name same another person. Example: I named my dog after famous actor. Anna was named after her aunt. Ask after. To ask for information about someone. Example: tell your mother, I was asking after her. My sister is in the hospital, so I need to ask after her. Come after. To have or achieve a particular position in a race. Example: I know the first verse of the song, but I don't know what comes after. Run after. To chase someone or something. Example: the cat runs after the rat around the yard. Take after. To be like or to look like another family member. Example: my sister takes after my dad's face. Most of my children take after my husband. Run around after. To do a lot of things for someone. Example: he spends most of his free time running around after his kids. Ring after. To call back. Example: don't worry, he will ring you after. She said that you don't need to ring her after.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content.